Welcome to the vegetable spelling quiz. You only have 5 seconds to answer each question. Let's go. Can you spell carrot? Let's spell it together. C-A-R-R-O-T. Can you spell broccoli? Let's spell it together. B-R-O-C-C-O-L-I. Can you spell onion? Let's spell it together. O-N-I-O-N. Can you spell peas? Let's spell it together. P-E-A-S. Can you spell tomato? Let's spell it together. T-O-M-A-T-O. Can you spell cabbage? Let's spell it together. C-A-B-B-A-G-E. Can you spell cucumber? Let's spell it together. C-U-C-U-M-B-E-R. Can you spell chili? Let's spell it together. C-H-I-L-I. Can you spell potato? Let's spell it together. P-O-T-A-T-O. Can you spell lettuce? Let's spell it together. L-E-T-T-U-C-E. Can you spell eggplant? Let's spell it together. E-G-G-P-L-A-N-T. Can you spell rhubarb? Let's spell it together. R-H-U-B-A-R-B. Can you spell celery? Let's spell it together. C-E-L-E-R-Y. Can you spell gherkin? Let's spell it together. G-H-E-R-K-I-N. Can you spell garlic? Let's spell it together. G-A-R-L-I-C. Can you spell radish? Let's spell it together. R-A-D